Alright, so for today's lesson, we are going to do some sorting with some abstract and concrete nouns. So there are 4 sentences here. And what I want you to do is identify a noun. There could be more than one in each sentence, okay? And then label if it's concrete or abstract. So our first sentence is, Joey believed that the rain would stop soon. So what I would do is I would find at least a couple of nouns in here, and then I would think, is this a concrete noun or is this an abstract noun? Okay, the next sentence is, Tammy has loyalty to one soccer team. Then you're going to think, okay, what are some nouns in here? Are they concrete or are they abstract? Next one, Sally's dream was to become a doctor. Is that abstract or concrete? Pick a couple nouns and determine if they're concrete or abstract. The math test gave Josh anxiety. So I want you to think, come up with a couple nouns and then determine if they're abstract or concrete. You're going to answer these questions in the questions down below. Okay, you're going to add down below, the next question is going to give you this exact same sentence, and it's going to tell you, okay, pick a noun, and then is it abstract or concrete, and it's going to have you do it for all 4, okay? All right, good job, guys. Let's practice our abstract and concrete nouns. Okay.